Ever wonder how you could turn your love for shopping on Amazon into a profitable venture? In today's video, I'm diving deep into the Amazon Influencer Program, revealing how you can get paid to review products you already own. From understanding shoppable videos to mastering the art of product reviews, I got you covered. So if you're ready to make some easy money, stick around and let's do this. My name is Carlos Alvarez, and I'm a full-time Amazon Ecom seller of 15 years, co-host of the Wizards of Ecom podcast, and founder of the largest Amazon seller meetup group in the world. So what exactly on God's green earth is the Amazon Influencer Program? If you would have asked me this less than a year ago, I would have told you it's where you go if you want to start making money using Amazon Live Video. How I would now describe it is an absolute freaking goldmine, and at the time of this recording, one of the easiest ways to make money online. Here's my reason why. The Amazon Influencer Program lets you upload a video review of a product you already own, and if somebody watches your video, then buys the product, Amazon pays you a commission. That's it. These are called shoppable videos, and this is mental. It's the biggest thing since 2-day shipping, in my opinion. And if you're not getting the gravity of how massive an opportunity this is, you're probably confusing the Influencer Program with the Associates Program. The major difference between the two is in the Associates Program, you have to drive traffic to Amazon with your links. With shoppable video reviews, these are posts that are on Amazon where the bazillions of shoppers already are on the platform, and they can see it, watch it, and buy it, hence you get paid. I discovered this in February of this year when I saw somebody I'm connected with on Facebook named Andrew Pardine posting screenshots of having made $3,000 a month posting video reviews on Amazon. I immediately thought this was total BS, and in the spirit of wanting to warn my fellow Wizards of Ecom sellers about this new scam, I followed the post and began checking the guy out. Needless to say, this guy is legit. I had him as a guest on my podcast, as well as two other massive Amazon influencers like Deanne Gustafson and WTI. I'll add a link to all three of these episodes in the description of this video so you can check them out. The Amazon Influencer Program itself is 100% free. You don't need to buy any of the products you review. You only have to have possession of the product and it be a product that's sold on Amazon, which for most people is probably absolutely everything you own, maybe except your furniture. I love connecting with you in the comments. If there's anything in this video you'd like me to elaborate on, please don't hesitate to drop a comment and I will personally reply. In Amazon's infinite genius, they strategically place your shoppable videos in the top of the listing reviewed, in the video review carousel at the bottom of the listing page, and in the Amazon Inspire feed. The reason why I think this is genius is because shoppers want to see reviews of products they want to buy in the wild, and they're trying to just imagine what it would look like on them or in their home. By having your shoppable video at the top and bottom of page, as well as in the Browse Inspire feed, your video is always just one click away from being viewed. Just in case it hasn't sank in, if your shoppable video review is seen by the buyer before they check out, you will make a commission on the sale for no extra work. One little example is we're making about $5 a day for over a month on a $1 chapstick my wife reviewed once. Amazon pays between 1% and 5% commission depending on the category, and the average commission paid so far in my experience has been about 3.5%. I'll link to the commission chart in the description below so you know the exact breakdowns. And something that is super exciting to keep in mind is that these commissions apply to everything in the buyer's cart at the time of checkout and not just the item tagged in your shoppable video. My wife and I, whenever we had a few spare moments, we've been uploading some quick and dirty, like little shoppable video reviews, like again, whenever we have a few moments, and we're already at over $1,000 a month and climbing at the 30-day mark. One of my friends, Tom, is doing over $4,000 a month with this model in under 60 days. And the number of success stories that I'm hearing in our Wizards of Ecom community are quickly rising with the Amazon Influencer Program. My advice when it comes to recording your first shoppable video is to create a list of stuff you have around the house. The natural tendency, by the way, is to only see the bigger items, but make sure you don't skip anything. We're making a lot of money on some of the not so obvious stuff too, like plant soil, clothes hangers, toasters, stuff like that. Once you've compiled your list, I recommend creating a daily goal of uploading at least 5 videos a day, which should take you less than 30 minutes. And if you're terrified being on camera, do not worry. You can definitely do faceless shoppable videos. Check out this example of my wife reviewing a Spider-Man wall decal for kids where she does not come out on camera.
Hey guys, I wanted to tell you about this Spider-Man 3D decor that you can put on your wall. The cool thing about it is that it comes with a breakout sticker and the eyes light up at night. So it kind of serves as a night light. So if you have a child that's a Spider-Man fan and you want to decorate their room with something that is 3D and looks pretty cool, and it also serves as a night light,
That was pretty simple, straight to the point, and as you can see, her face never appears. In my opinion, showing your face on camera will help with conversions, but I know people making thousands of dollars per month with this program and have never appeared on camera. So here's an example of my wife doing a shoppable video and appearing on camera, so face on camera.
Hi everybody, today I wanted to tell you about this beautiful mermaid dress that I got for my daughter. I'm literally opening it up with you guys. So I just ordered this. Look how beautiful that is. It is 100% polyester. Now let me put the camera there.
Pretty simple, right? And as you can see, there's not a high production value involved in this. Both of these videos had the video and the audio shot with a smartphone and only had minor edits using a free app called CapCut. To get approved for shoppable video commissions is a two-step process and requires you to first be approved as an Amazon influencer. The link to apply to be an Amazon influencer is in the comments below. I'll also drop it in the description. And if you have more than 5,000 followers on Facebook, the approval should be automatic. On Instagram and TikTok, it'll be about 20,000. If you don't have this many followers on any of these social platforms, don't worry. I'm linking to an absolutely free guide that'll help you get approved anyhow and show you how to get those followers quickly. The guide again is 100% free, and my goal here is just to help you start making some passive income as quickly as possible. The rest of the videos on this channel are full of tips to help make you a better online seller, so check them out and I'll answer any questions you have in the comments of this video.